Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Paul. It's good to see you all today because today I will be sharing some tips that I've learned about in crafting a powerful conclusion for your travel videos where you leave your viewers with a lasting impression and a sense of fulfillment. That is happening right now. Alright, let's jump into tip number 1, the emotional connection. Your conclusion should leave your viewers with a profound emotional experience, a lingering feeling that they won't forget. This is kind of how I do it. Picture this as I look back on the memories that we've created together in these awe-inspiring destinations. I am overwhelmed with gratitude. The laughter, the friendships, and the shared experiences have filled my heart with deep sense of fulfillment. Remember, life is meant to be explored, so go on out there, chase your own extraordinary moments. See what I tried there? I tried to evoke emotions. By doing that, you create a powerful connection that resonates with your audience long after the video ends. Your conclusion should inspire your viewers to take action, whether it's to explore the destinations themselves or engage further with your content. Imagine ending your video with a call to action like this. If this destination has captured your imagination, head over to my website where I have prepared an in-depth travel guide complete with insider tips and hidden gems. See, by providing valuable resources, you not only engage your audience, but you also build a loyal community around your content. Sometimes a moment of reflection can add depth and meaning to your conclusion. Try imagining ending your video with a reflective pause like this. As I sit here, enveloped in the tranquil beauty of nature, I am reminded of the profound impact travel has on our souls. It opens our minds, broadens our horizons, and reminds us of the wonders that exists beyond our comfort zones. So, let's embrace the unknown and continue our journey of discovery. See, by pausing to reflect, you invite your viewers to contemplate their own travel experiences and the transformative power that it holds. Surprise your viewers with a unique and memorable conclusion that they won't see coming. Here's an example to spark your creativity. Just when you thought our adventure had come to an end, I have a hidden surprise for you. Hidden deep within my backpack is a keepsake I have collected from this journey. It symbolizes the memories, the people, and the incredible moments we've shared together. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned for an exclusive giveaway or a sneak peek of my next travel destination. See? By adding an unexpected twist, you create anticipation and leave your viewers excited for what's about to come. Leave your viewers with a thought-provoking message that encapsulates the essence of your travel experience. Imagine concluding your video with a powerful message like this. As I bid farewell to this incredible destination, I am reminded that the world is vast and our time here is limited. So let's cherish every moment, embrace every opportunity, and fill our lives with stories worth telling. So go out there, chase your dreams, and let your travels become the chapters that define your legacy. See, by leaving your viewers with a meaningful message, you inspire them to live life to the fullest. Here's what you need to remember. Your conclusion is the final imprint that you leave on your viewers' minds. So make it count, make it memorable, make it an invitation to join you on the next journey that you will be going. So what do you think of these tips? Are you already using some of them? I want to hear from you. So please drop a comment down below and let me know what challenges you face when creating conclusions for your travel videos. Share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can all learn, create, and share. So, peace out, baby!